How to add temporary number on match.com. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video we will discuss how we can add a temporary number on match.com. So let's start. Now when you create a new match account and finish setting up your account will be successfully created. However, as soon as you enter it, it will show you a screen like this. As you can see on the screen, it will ask you to verify your account using your phone number. Now when you click on continue, you will have to enter a phone number and it will send a code to that phone number. After that, you will have to enter that particular code and then verify it. Now if you want to use a temporary number or a fake number, there are various sites or platforms that allows you to do so. You can find them by simply going to the search bar and then type fake phone number. As you search for it, you will find various websites that allows you to use fake numbers and then receive the SMS code. There are some paid as well as the free versions of the platform. Now you can select a particular platform and then use it. For now, I'll be using the Quaker website. It is a free platform for temporary phone numbers. So I'll go into it. Then after I'll be selecting a US phone number. After that, you'll have to copy the phone number. You can simply click on this icon. After that, go to the website of match.com and then paste it. However, if you are using a free website, it might show you a screen like this saying your phone number has not been verified. So it's better to use the platform which provides legit services, but you might have to pay for it. However, the process is simple. After you enter the phone number, you can simply click on continue. Then after head back to the website where you got the phone number, you'll find a message sent to your phone number like this. Then after you can simply copy the code and then paste it. After that, you can verify your phone number and your account will be verified as well. So in this way, you can use a temporary phone number on match.com. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.